You know, this is, excuse me, a damn fine cup of coffee.
Okay, you guys, here are the cooked sausages, and they're really good. Sometimes pork sausage can get, like when you're eating a brat or something, you come across that really hard bit of pork, and it's just like a little bit of bone, and it's like bristly and tough.
The cartilage.
But these were super creamy and smooth, and it's not like you were chewing on anything. They like melt in your mouth, so they were super good. And I actually just started eating around like 2 o'clock. So I fasted all morning, and I feel totally okay and fine. Whoa! What is she doing?
I was gonna have her just slowly come up. Hello.
Okay, you guys, here is Mariah's dinner. We don't have her on anything full keto, but I do try and keep her away from like heavy carbs. So she just has the sausage. I cut it up for her, and she has some vegetables, and I'm gonna salt these, and I already put butter in them. If she needs some temptation to help eat the sausage, then I'll also add some like ketchup for her. For snacks, we give her like yogurt or cheese sticks or fruit and crackers and grapes and strawberries and bananas. So we do try and keep her away from things that are too heavily processed and just not just shoveling her whatever. So this is her dinner. Are you ready to eat?
Yes.
Okay. You're ready to eat?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, let's go eat. Let's go. Good morning, you guys. It's Sunday. So yesterday I filmed like a what I eat in a day. Honestly, I feel like I'm kind of getting back into the routine of filming, so videos might not be the best and maybe a little choppy, but I kind of wanted to get back into vlogging just because I feel like Mariah's growing up, and when I saw her on camera yesterday, I was like, wow, you guys haven't seen her in a long time. So if we start doing anything fun as a family that's not just staying at home and cleaning and organizing, then I'm gonna start filming it. It's 9 o'clock in the morning now. I'm having my black coffee with a little bit of heavy whipping cream. I was able to find it off base here. I found it at Tesco. So usually it was just something I get on base and take it home, but I actually found it at Tesco here. So I'm doing this, and I'm replying to everyone's comments on my Instagram because everyone is so nice. I'll put up the picture. It's my 222 to 182, the weight I'm at now. I'm officially down 40 pounds on keto. And I need to find a way to like channel my feelings into like a YouTube video, but I just can't, like, because I've already addressed so many things on keto that were just like overall thoughts that I want to narrow it down, maybe like keto tips, or I don't know. I just need to find a way to narrow it down and make a video about it. You guys, I just got done with my workout. I got home from work. CJ's okay, so yesterday I had school, so I wasn't able to work out. I'm taking 2 classes, one in person and one online. So yesterday I went to school from 5:30 to 8:30. So got home, Raya was already asleep. And so today's my workout day, and CJ decided to work out too. So I'm here with the baby and I need to make dinner, but I only did a 15-minute workout because of her, and then this is how she was the entire time I was working out. So we all have excuses, but mommy did it anyways, huh? Yeah. Are you ready for dinner? Yes. Okay, let mommy go cook. Okay, so for dinner tonight, we're going to make like a spicy shrimp pico dish with some cilantro, tomatoes, onions, and avocados. This is my mom's recipe. I don't have the exact seasonings that she used, but I'm just gonna substitute and we will see what happens. Forewarning, all the food that I'm about to show you might just be like music put over it because Mariah is not about it this afternoon, so apologies for that if music bothers you. So I'm starting off with just some shrimp. This is raw tail on shrimp, peeled and clean, a large, it's a big bag like this. I'm gonna go ahead and use the entire bag. Okay, you guys, here is my pico mix. I have some onions, tomatoes, cilantro, and then I added in some chopped garlic. So I'm just gonna put this in the fridge to chill and let all the flavors come together. I might do some Himalayan salt and pepper in here, and then we're gonna get started on the shrimp. Okay, you guys, so here is finished dinner. We have a slice of pan-fried halloumi, and then we have our jalapeno shrimp down here with some pico de gallo topped with a avocado, and then I just salted and peppered my avocado. So this is our dinner on a Tuesday night. Very simple, easy, fast, fresh, and delicious.
Just gotta go.
Are you staring at yourself?
I do.
You gonna give yourself a kiss?
this on your vlog?
That was a good kissy. Can you give mommy a kiss? Thank you. Are you gonna say hi to Papa and Grandma? Say hi, Grandma. They miss you. They love you. You want to give her kisses? Mwah. Good job. Vegetables. Vegetables. I'm gonna say hi, Aya.
Hi.
How old are you? You're 2.
How old are you? Hi. How old are you? No, you're 2.